Hey, skill seeker. They say you can make money while you sleep. But is passive income really that easy? Or is it just another internet myth? For 30 days, I tested 3 different passive income streams without any experience. One actually made me money while I slept. One completely flopped. And one, well, it might be the most powerful long-term game. So, was this experiment a success or a total waste of time? Let's find out. Oh, and before we begin, if you're someone who's always learning and improving, hit that subscribe button. It's free for you, but it helps the channel grow. Now, let's get started. The first method I tried was selling digital products. The idea is simple. Create something once, and people can buy it over and over again. I chose something in high demand, Notion productivity templates. I found that aesthetic Notion planners were trending on Etsy and Gumroad. It took me 2 days to create a simple but useful productivity dashboard with habit trackers and daily planners. I listed it for $5 and promoted it on Reddit, Twitter, and Pinterest. After 1 month, I made 9 sales, earning $45. Not life-changing, but considering I only created it once, it's not a bad start. Now, $45 isn't crazy money, but it's something. And honestly, I put way more effort into making this video than I earned from this. So, skill seeker, if you're finding this breakdown useful, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button. It's free for you, but it really helps the channel grow. Next, I tried print on demand. The idea? Design t-shirts, upload them to a site like Redbubble or Teespring, and they handle everything, from printing to shipping. All I had to do was create the designs. I used Canva to make minimalist t-shirts with motivational phrases like consistency, motivation. I uploaded my designs, set a small profit margin, and waited for sales to roll in. After 1 month, I made only 2 sales, earning $6.50. Why? Because print on demand is super competitive. Unless you run ads or already have an audience, it's hard to stand out. The final method? YouTube automation. This is where you create faceless videos using AI-generated voiceovers, stock footage, and simple editing, then earn money from ads. I picked the self-improvement niche, perfect for motivational videos. I used AI to generate scripts, found free stock videos, and edited everything in CapCut. I posted 2 videos per week. After 1 month, I got 3,800 views and 61 subscribers. No money yet. But once I hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I can enable ads. Let's break down the results. Digital products. I spent around 10 hours creating a Notion template, and after 1 month, I made $45. Not a fortune, but it's completely scalable. The more products I add, the more I can earn. Print on demand. This took about 5 hours, and I only made $6.50 after a whole month. The problem? Too much competition. Unless you run ads or already have a big audience, it's tough to make good money. YouTube automation. This was the most time-intensive, requiring 20 hours of work, and I made $0 so far. But here's the catch. This has high potential over time. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I can start earning ad revenue. So, in the short term, digital products were the clear winner. But for long-term passive income, YouTube automation might be the most powerful game if you stay consistent. Alright, here are my biggest takeaways from this experiment. Passive income isn't 100% passive. You have to put in the effort first before the money starts rolling in. Digital products are the easiest way to start making money fast. Create it once, sell it forever. Print on demand? Not worth it unless you already have a strong brand or run ads. The competition is just too high. YouTube automation takes time, but it might be the most profitable long-term. If you stay consistent, it can turn into a serious income stream. So, skill seeker, which passive income stream would you try? Have you tried any already? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more step-by-step breakdowns like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.